Hi friends, it's time for class. I see you. Let's find out what letter we're going to learn about today. Here's a hint. A xylophone. Let's sing our morning song. Good morning, Lord. It's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna learn and I'm gonna play. I've got my friends who help me along, and I've got you, so I'm singing this song. Oh, hi friends. I was looking for our letter of the day. Do you see a letter? What's the letter of the day? X. X. X, X, X. X is the name of this letter. Do you see an X behind me? There it is. It's an X. It's on a treasure map. Who uses a treasure map? That's right, a pirate. I'm gonna use an eye patch. Put this over one eye, and I'm going to pretend that I'm a pirate. Will you pretend to be a pirate with me? Great. Let's go on an adventure. Let's learn about the letter X. Let's put our arms up and cross them like this. X. Let's do it again. X. Do you see the X on my scarf? There it is. X. Friends, I wanted to ask you a question. What do you think a pirate's favorite letter of the alphabet is? Think. I bet some of you said the letter R. And you'd be right. I do like the letter R. In fact, I like all the letters of the alphabet. But there's a special letter that gets me heart a dancing. It's where we find me treasure. X. Smaller and bigger. Whoa, it's a giant X. Let's look and see what words have X in them. When I'm really happy and something happens and I get super excited, or I did a really good job on something and someone says that was excellent, or it was really amazing and awesome, and so they might use the word extraordinary. That's a big word. Let's say that together. Extraordinary. Did you hear the X sound at the beginning? Let's say it again. Extraordinary. What about if I am flexing my muscles and I'm doing maybe jumping jacks, or I'm running in place, or I'm kicking my legs? What am I doing? Exercising. How about if I mix some things together and I'm a scientist and I'm trying to see what happens? Maybe I made a baking soda and vinegar volcano. Maybe I wanted to see if colors changed if I added something to it. I'm doing an experiment. If I wanted to go on an adventure around the world and see what I could see, I could be an explorer. This is a digger. This is a machine used in construction to move the dirt. And it'll dig up the dirt and move it out of the way. And it has an X sound at the start. It's an excavator. What if I am super tired? I've had such a long day, and I've worked really hard, and I could barely keep my eyes open. You might hear me say that I am exhausted.
Treasure. And you are me matey. Matey means friend. Come on, matey. Help me find me treasure. Yeah, I found me treasure map. Let's go unroll it and see what we find. Let's go.
It has me starting at the Tent Mountains, going past the Mounds of Green, across the Heart Bridge, around the Pit of Lemons, across the scary stepping stones, and it looks like we'll find me treasure in the Wavy River.
Ahoy, mateys! I'm gonna teach you my pirate song. Here we go. Oh, I'm a pirate looking for an excellent treasure, treasure, treasure. It can't be very far. Will you help me to measure, measure, measure? Let's look at the map and then let's count all the paces, paces, paces. How many steps till we see where the special places, places, places? Again. Oh, I'm a pirate looking for an excellent treasure, treasure, treasure. It can't be very far. Will you help me to measure, measure, measure? Let's look at the map and then let's count all the paces, paces, paces. How many steps do we see where the special places, places, places? Great job. Excellent job, matey. Before we go on our adventure and our treasure hunt, I think it's extra important to count how many spaces we're going to be walking from the Tent Mountains to the Mounds of Green. Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 paces from the Tent Mountains to the Mounds of Green. Remember that. How many paces? 13. That's right. I see the Tent Mountains. Let's go up and over the mountains. Follow me. How many paces from the Mounds of Green to the Heart Bridge? Ready? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many paces? 14. I see the Heart Bridge. We're going to go across the bridge. Let's go. We need to go up and over the bridge. And over the bridge. Now, let's see how many paces to expect from the Heart Bridge to the Pit of Lemons. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many paces, matey? 8. That's right. I see the Pit of Lemons. Be careful not
not to fall into the pit. Go around it.
Count how many stepping stones we need to go across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many stepping stones are there? 10.
Now I need to go across the scary stepping stones. Almost there. I think I see something.
And when we're done with our stepping stones, how many paces before we get to our X? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many paces? 3. That's right.
I see the X. That must be the buried treasure. Almost. I got it. Ugh. Gotta lift it out. It's heavy. X. Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's the greatest treasure. Books. I love to read and go on adventures. Don't you?
Oh, wait, mateys. I'm on my pirate ship. The winds are really kicking up. Did you see me flag? It has a smile. And do you see the bones? They make a cross. It's a smile and crossbones flag. If you see me sailing on the high seas and you see a smile and crossbones flag, then you know it's me ship. Because I'm the only pirate with a smile and crossbones flag. If you look closely at this, what do you see? What do you think this looks like? A bone. That's right. This is Lola's dog toy, but it looks like a bone. Speaking of bones, do you know what a picture of the inside of your body is called? A picture that shows your bones? It's called an X-ray. Pretend this is the bone in my arm. And when the doctor or the vet takes a picture, the bones show up. It takes a picture of your insides. There's an X-ray where it looks like the bones are white. I can't see my bones when I look at my skin. Can I see my bones when I look really closely? No. What about if I took a picture with my camera at home? Or Mom or Dad's phone camera? Could I see my bones then? No. You need a special machine to see inside your body. And that's called an X-ray machine. Let's look at some X-rays. Here's an X-ray. What animal do you think this is an X-ray of? That's right, it's a horse. They're taking an X-ray of its leg. What animal is this an X-ray of? It's the paw of an animal I have at my house. It's a dog. You're right. Wow, what is this an X-ray of? It slithers on the ground and starts with an S. That's right. That's a snake. What is this an X-ray of? It has a beak. It has wings and can fly. It's a bird. That's a kookaburra. The kookaburra had a crack in its beak, so they took an X-ray. I'm glad doctors and vets have X-rays to help us. What if you burp or bump into someone? What would you say?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. When we breathe in, it's called inhale. Oh, I can smell those flowers. They smell so good. But when we breathe out, it's called exhale. Let's say that. Exhale. One more time. Exhale. Did you hear the X sound? You can help me fill up my balloon. Right now it's very small. I need you to breathe in. We'll inhale and we will smell the flowers. And then we will exhale and we will blow out a candle. Ready? Inhale and exhale. Again. Exhale. A really big one this time. And exhale one more time. Blow it out. Excellent job. That can help us feel a lot better when we take those deep breaths. Sometimes we just need to stop and take a break and do that, especially when our body gets really extra excited or something unexpected happens or we're feeling exhausted. Maybe we just need to stop, take a break, focus on something else, and take some deep breaths. You can do that anytime you need to. That would be excellent and extraordinary. Okay, friends, I'm going to list those X words really quickly. I want you to try to follow along and listen for that X sound. Ready? I'm excited. Exclamation. Excavator. Exhausted. Exercise. Unexpected. Exploration. Expression. Example. Excluded. Expectation. Excellent. Exact. Extraordinary. Explosion. Extra. Examine. Excuse me. Exit. Exhale. Experiment. Extinguisher. What do you notice on my pirate ship flag? Nothing.
Ahoy, mateys. I'm here on my pirate ship. Whoa, do you see my flag going flying? Whoa. Batten down the hatches! Hoist the sails! Shiver me timbers. Hold on. I'll just lean against it. Now it's time to open the treasure to find out what's inside. Oh! Toilet paper! It's always good to have extra.
Excellent job.